of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we were discussing the unit cell. What is a unit cell, Muhammad Aris? What is a unit cell? Anchal, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try to explain a unit cell. It is the portion of the crystal lattice
It is the portion of the crystal lattice which, when multiplied in all the directions, gives
repeated
the
in all,
entire.
repeated in all directions gives the entire crystal lattice. Okay. So, a cubical crystal lattice. I am going to draw a cubical crystal lattice. Unit cell. This is the unit cell of a crystal lattice. This unit cell is of cubical shape. A unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. 6 parameters. 3 edge lengths. This is an edge length A. This is edge length B. This is edge length C. If A is equal to B is equal to C, we call it as a cube. When A is equal to B is equal to C, we call it as a cube. So, these edge lengths, these are now 3 parameters. Now, 3 angles. Number 1, these edge lengths. We call it as dimensions also. Dimensions along the edges A, B and C. So, 1, 2, 3. Now, angles. Angles between B and C. Angle between B and C, that is alpha. Angle between A and C, that is opposite to B, that is beta. Angle between A and B, that is opposite to C, that is gamma. So, alpha, beta and gamma. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, these are the 6 parameters. Thus, a unit cell is characterized by 6 variables. Parameters means variables. These can vary. These can vary. A can vary, B can vary, C can vary, alpha, beta, gamma, these all things can vary. So, by varying these things, you can have 7 types of primitive unit cell. Primitive means atoms are only at the corners. Atoms, ions or molecules are only at the corners. So, these are primitive. Centered means maybe in addition to these corners, in addition to these corners, 8 corners, one may be at the interior center. So, we call it as body centered cube. Body centered cube. In addition to these 8 corners, One is right at the center, similar atom. This atom, this atom, this atom, all these atoms are similar atoms. Similar atoms. So one at the interior center. Then we are calling it as body-centered cube. So this is centered cube. This is a centered cube. But this cube is called primitive. This is primitive. Means only at the corners. Only at the corners you see atoms. This corner, 8 corners you see. If the atoms are only at the corners, then we call it as primitive. In addition to the corners, if you find at the interior center, then it is centered. Or instead of this interior center, I am rubbing it off this interior center. So I am rubbing these things also, that is body centered, body centered. In addition to these corners, if atoms are present at the face center, here one, face center. Face center, how many faces are there for a cube? 6 faces are there. So this is top face, bottom face, then the side face, this side face, and behind one face, that is here behind one face, and here front face, like that. At the center of each face there are 6 faces. So center of each face you can see, if you are able to see a similar atom, then we call it as face centered cube. Face centered cube, we call it as FCC. So this is a centered cube. For the interior center, what we have seen previously, in that you saw, in addition to these 8 corners, you saw one at the body center. In that case we call it as body centered cube, means BCC. Body centered cube means we call it as BCC. Here it is FCC, face centered cube. Top face, bottom face center, side face center, left side face center, front face center, back face center. So this is face centered cube, and the previous one where you saw only one at the body center in addition to these 8 corners, that we called body centered cube. That is again centered cube. This is again centered cube, but this one is primitive. Now we are going back to primitive. In this primitive, for a cube, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. That means this is cube. Primitive, there are 7 primitive unit cells in the world. 7 primitive unit cells. The first one is cube. Number 1. First one is cube. Why we are calling it as a cube? A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is equal to 90. We call it as crystal system 1 or shape 1 or primitive 1. This is the first shape or this is the first crystal system. 7 primitive unit cells or 7 crystal systems or 7 shapes. So cube is the first one. In cube there are different variations. Variations means this one what I have shown primitive is called simple cube, and what I showed BCC body centered and FCC face centered. These are the different variations of this cube. In this shape, in this crystal system, in this in this cube, there are different variations. That is simple cube, what we call it as primitive only, body centered and face centered. These are the variations we say. This variation is same as primitive. Another variation, this variation. Now we are going to the next shape or next crystal system or next type of unit cell, primitive unit cell. That is tetragonal. Tetragonal is just like our tetragonal. It is just like our this atta pipa, that is here A is equal to B, which is not equal to C. This is A, this is B, this is C. C is longer. A is equal to B, which is not equal to C. The shape is called tetragonal. What you have seen, atta paper, this is tin, white tin. We call it as tin. Tin not in the form of a box. Tin doesn't mean that a box. Tin is a material. For us in chemistry, tin is an element. This element, tin material or tin element, we call it as SN, tin. So if you take one piece of tin that is made up of many unit cells, the shape of the unit cell or the crystal system or the type, we call it as tetragonal. Why we are calling it as tetragonal? Because A is not equal to B, A is equal to B, which is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is equal to 90. Now this has got different variations. The primitive one, where we see only at the corners, atoms at the corners, this is primitive. Centered means either at the body center or at the face center or at the end centers. If it is end center, you will see at this portion and at this portion. Similar atom you will be seeing at the center of the end faces. Now what I have shown is primitive. This is primitive. Primitive means only at the corners. So tetragonal, this is the shape or this is the second crystal system. There are 7 crystal systems. Again and again I am telling, there are 7 crystal systems in 7 shapes. First shape we have seen. This is the second shape. In second shape, the primitive, that one we call it as tetragonal. Tetragonal means A is equal to B, which is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is equal to 90. Example is tin. In this case, one more variation is there, that is body centered. Only one more, that is body. So one is primitive and the second is BCC, body centered tetragonal. So we can call it as only BCC. It is not a cube. So body centered tetragonal. So two variations are there in this shape. One is primitive and the other is body centered. And the third shape, that is the third crystal system, is orthorhombic. 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 This is exactly, the shape is like a matchbox. The shape is like a matchbox. We call it as orthorhombic. What are the edge lengths of a matchbox? Matchbox? Anybody? Edge lengths? A and B, A, B and C? Anyone?
All are different.
All are different. A is not equal to B. This is A. This is B. This is C. A is not equal to B, which is not equal to C. What about alpha? This is alpha. This is beta. This is gamma. Parin, tell me.
All are equal to 90.
Yes. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is equal to 90. Orthorhombic, example is rhombic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur, that is that yellow sulfur. Normally what you see sulfur, yellow powder, that is rhombic sulfur. The first one we learned is, cubic. Second is tetragonal. Third is orthorhombic. So three shapes are over. We have seen three shapes. First one is cubic. In that three variations are there. That is primitive, body centered, face centered. Second crystal system or second shape or second type, that is tetragonal. Tetragonal. In that two variations are there. Primitive, everywhere primitive is there. In all the 7 crystal system, primitive are there. Primitive is there. Now in second crystal system, primitive and body centered. Body centered. In that example is white tin. The first example is common, that is sodium chloride. First example, sodium chloride. We call it as rock salt. So shape 1 example, sodium chloride. Shape 2, that is crystal system 2, tetragonal white tin. Crystal system 3, that is matchbox type. Do not write matchbox. I am just telling an example. Rhombic sulfur. In that primitive is there, that is the first one. Primitive, everywhere primitive is there. Primitive, body centered, face centered and end centered. All the 4 categories are there. So I can show primitive, in addition to the corners, if you have at the center, then we call it as body centered. So this primitive is there, body center is there, then face center. Second one is face center, sorry, third one is face center, that is here face, this face center, this face center, this face center, front face center, back face center. So 6 faces. So face centered, body centered I have shown, now face centered, and the last one, fourth variation is end centered. End centered means only at this center and this center, that is end centered. End centered. So all the 4 variations are there in the third crystal system, that is orthorhombic. So first one rhombic sulfur, cubic, second one tetragonal white tin, in that 2 variations are there, in first one 3 variations are there, simple cube, body centered or primitive, body centered, face centered. In the second crystal system 2 variations are there, primitive and body centered. In the third crystal system there are 4 variations, primitive, body centered, face centered and end centered. And the next crystal system, that is the fourth one. Fourth one is hexagonal. Hexagonal. This is hexagonal primitive. In this only one variation is there. This is A, this is B and this height is C. You can see A is equal to B. This hexagonal means all these edges, this edge, this edge, this edge, all are equal. These edges are equal. So A is equal to B. Similarly, this one, all these edges are equal. So A is equal to B, which is not equal to C. A is equal to B, which is not equal to C. Here, this angle, that is this angle, this is 120. Hexagon, this is hexagon, so this is 120. What is that 120? Between A and B, that is gamma. Gamma is equal to 120. What about alpha and beta? alpha and beta. Alpha means, see, opposite to B is beta, opposite to A is this one. This is 90. So these two are 90. Alpha is equal to 90, beta is equal to 90, but gamma is equal to 120. This is hexagonal. Only primitive is there. Only primitive. Primitive means only at the corners. Not body centered, not face centered. So for primitive, this corner, this corner, this corner, only primitive. Only one variation, that is primitive under hexagonal. Example is graphite. We know that in graphite the sheets in the hexagonal way, graphite. So this is the fourth crystal system. Next is the fifth crystal system that we will do tomorrow. Thank you.